The Hori Hori knife just might be the ultimate gardening tool. If you know, you know. And if you don't know, you're about to find out, which will forever change your gardening habits. The Hori Hori can be traced back to Japan, where it was used by indigenous people for hunting and digging. Finding the perfect Hori Hori knives can be overwhelming with so many options available, each offering unique features, benefits, and price points. To make your decision easier, I've done extensive research, analyzed countless reviews, and curated a list of the best Hori Hori knives from trusted brands. These products are specifically chosen to help people like you find comfort and support. For pricing and additional details, don't forget to check the description below. Now, let's dive straight into the video. Number 1. Nisaku Original Hori Hori Japanese Weeding Knife. The Nisaku Hori Hori knife earns the title of Best for Cutting because of its impressive performance in the cutting and chopping tests. Even without a full tang, this Japanese-made knife proved to be incredibly sharp and took on every task with ease. Made with the finest stainless steel, the blade is both rust and scratch-resistant, ensuring it stays razor-sharp. The knife features both serrated and straight edges, making it a versatile tool for gardening, landscaping, and camping. With inch markings on the blade, you can plant with precision, and the ergonomic wooden handle provides a comfortable grip. This durable and high-quality knife is a standout choice for any gardener. Fantastic for weeding, seeding, transferring bulbs, and cutting branches, along with hunting, fishing, camping, and much more. Features both serrated and straight-edge blades. Inch markers engraved on the blade ensure you can plant and seed at precisely the correct depth. Rust-proof plus scratch-resistant blade makes sure that your tools will be used to perfection for many seasons. Number 2. Truly Garden Hori Hori Garden Knife. The Truly Garden Hori Hori knife wins out for having the best leather case, which is thick and sturdy, making it incredibly easy to slide the knife in and out. This heavy-duty knife is perfect for effortless weed removal and cutting invasive roots, thanks to its sharp blade and safe design with a handle guard. The improved rounded handle offers a comfortable and secure grip, even during extended use. The durable leather sheath, complete with robust rivets and a belt loop, ensures your knife is always within reach and well protected. With a full tang handle for exceptional durability, quality craftsmanship, and a 5-year defect coverage, this knife is a reliable and lasting addition to your gardening toolkit. It's also proudly made by a US-based, veteran-owned small business. Save time and energy with this heavy-duty knife designed to pop out weeds and cut invasive roots effortlessly. The blade is sharp enough to cut through roots and tough weeds, while the handle's guard ensures your safety. Experience a more comfortable grip with our enhanced rounded handle. This ergonomic design ensures a secure and pleasant hold during extended use. Protect your investment with our heavy, thick leather sheath featuring robust rivets. The built-in belt loop allows you to conveniently carry the knife on your belt during gardening sessions, ensuring it's always within reach. Unlike competitors, our Hori Hori knife boasts a full tang handle, solid blade through the entire handle for unparalleled durability. Backed by our commitment to lasting performance, instructional videos, and dedicated customer support, this tool is designed to last. Number 3. Fiskars Hori Hori Knife. The Fiskars Hori Hori knife is a lightweight, yet durable gardening essential that's perfect for a variety of tasks like weeding, planting, splitting, and transplanting. Initially, we were skeptical about the plastic handle and case, but they felt great in the hand and will really hold up over time. The dual-edged stainless steel blade is designed for maximum power and precision, featuring a serrated edge for sawing through thick growth and a forked tip for efficient weeding. Easy-to-read measurements on the blade help you plant at the correct depth, while the soft grip handle boosts comfort and reduces fatigue. It's built to last and comes with that trusty Fiskars warranty, a multi-purpose garden knife designed to weed, plant, split, transplant, and more. The Fiskars Hori Hori knife garden tool has a corrosion-resistant, stainless steel blade with an extended tang for added durability. This dual-edged knife features a sharp, precision ground edge for cutting through sod and root systems, and a serrated edge for sawing through thick growth. A forked tip makes easy work of weeding, while easy-to-read English and metric measurements ensure precise planting depth. The soft grip handle offers comfort and control, while an included hard plastic sheath with belt loop provides convenient storage and portability. Designed to help you transform the backyard, Fiskars lawn and gardening tools are equipped with smart technologies and award-winning ergonomic features that make it easier and more enjoyable to perform your own lawn care. Number 4. Hori Hori Garden Knife. The Hori Hori knife gets our vote for the most heavy-duty option, thanks to its impressively strong blade and tough carrying case. Wonderfully versatile, this knife handles every garden job, from digging and transplanting to sawing and cutting tough roots. The multifunction blade features a sharp edge for slicing, a serrated edge for cutting, and a curved blade with depth measurements for easy planting. Made of high-grade stainless steel with a full tang, this knife is built to last. The full tang-wood handle, reinforced with 3 metal rivets, offers an incredible grip, making labor easier and safer. Just holding this one in your hand, you can feel the quality, and we have no doubt it'll last for a long time. Wonderfully versatile, Hori Hori garden knife for every job in the garden. Use it for digging, transplanting, sawing, cutting, removing, dividing, and even measuring soil depth for planting. Features a sharp edge for slicing and a serrated edge for cutting tough roots. The curved blade and depth measurement in inches make planting a breeze. The cord-cutting edge also acts as a bottle opener. With so many uses, this knife is a good pick for a range of outdoor activities, including gardening, fishing, and camping. The full tang-wood handle is ergonomically designed to provide an incredible grip that can save effort while laboring. 3 metal rivets reinforce the blade securely in place, making it safer to use without worrying about bending or breaking. Number 5. Garden Guru Hori Hori Gardening Knife. The Garden Guru Hori Hori knife is our top pick for an all-around gardening tool because it's not only beautiful but also incredibly user-friendly and durable. With a rust-resistant stainless steel blade that's perfect for cutting, digging, sawing, and more. It's designed to handle a variety of tasks effortlessly. The comfortable wooden handle offers a great grip, and the knife comes with an easy-to-use case. Whether you're gardening, camping, or hiking, this versatile knife will quickly become an essential part of your outdoor toolkit. It's a small investment that promises years of reliable use, making it an excellent addition to any gardener's lineup. A Japanese gardening Hori Hori knife is one of the best gardening gifts for gardeners. This weeding knife is also great for cutting, digging, sawing, planting, probing, transplanting, and slicing. Not much more can be expected from your garden equipment. Rust-resistant stainless steel full tang blade is strong and less likely to break under pressure. Thick for strength and durability, wide and concave for scooping, sharp flat edge for cutting, serrated edge for sawing, spear point for prying, millimeters and inches marks for measuring planting depths. A Hori Hori knife is not just for gardeners, it's an essential component to your camping equipment, hiking equipment, metal detecting, placer mining, or survival kits. This garden/camping knife is one of the most perfect gardening gifts for men or women. It's a crucial appendage in all outdoor situations. That's it for today. I create helpful videos like this every day, so make sure to subscribe to my channel for more. If you're looking for additional details or want to check the product prices, you'll find all the information in the description. Have questions or need assistance? Feel free to drop a comment below. Stay tuned for more amazing products to make your life easier.